I'm Krithika from Bangalore. So, visiting Pyramid Valley was really good. The environment is really peaceful here. The meditation there was really good. Anyone who is stressed or anything can come here. It's really peaceful. Your mind will be really peace, and it's like really good for your mind. Meditation over here is like basically it freshens up your mind and everything. It was like just for anything, like if you aren't feeling good or anything, too much of studies or anything, you just come here and just meditate here for some time and you'll be really freshened. The nature here is really good. The greenery over here, kids can play and all that. The It's really peaceful environment here, and the bookstores and everything, all the items here are really good. Like anytime your weekends, if you're free, you can come here and just visit. It's a really good place. Thank you.